Hi there. If you're looking for the most reliable way to make money online for yourself in 2023, then this video is for you. Are you aware of the numerous opportunities you have access to through affiliate marketing, in addition to the millions that you are going to be making from this unique business model? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the opportunities that is in affiliate marketing and how you can actually take advantage of this to make money for yourself online. In the Nigerian affiliate marketing industry, the likes of Caleb, Jacto Precious, Priswill, Toyo Motosho, Sam Harvard have actually gone from just becoming only affiliate marketers, but they've progressed into becoming product creators and even business owners. They now run their own businesses of affiliate marketing and they are making tons of money from it. So quit trying to shut your mind to affiliate marketing. The question you should be asking me is, how do I get started? What do I need to know, and how do I take action? When I started my online journey, I actually started out with affiliate marketing and I learned a lot. Affiliate marketing opened my eyes to the numerous opportunities that were there in the online space, and I actually took advantage of it. Some of the things I learned was content creation, how to run Facebook ads, how to create a website, graphics design, and most importantly, how to sell. Whether it's through affiliate marketing or any other means, every business actually requires you to sell a product or a service. So if you know how to sell, if you have the skill of selling, it is a bonus for you, because that is what you require to succeed online. Let me give you a scenario. For example, you want to raise 100K in the space of a month. Maybe you don't have a job and you need 100K to be raised in the period of 30 days. How do you want to get that money? Type it in the comment section. How do you want to get the money? I'm sure some of you are going to say, oh, you're going to loan the money, which is fine. But do you know there is a way you can get that money without even borrowing from anybody or even the bank? Yes, you're shocked, right? Let me explain to you. If you want to make 100,000 naira in a month is divided into 30 days. What you should ask yourself is, what product can I sell? What service can I sell in order to get that money? If you don't have a skill or you don't have any product that you can sell, it's not a problem. This is where affiliate marketing becomes interesting. With affiliate marketing, all you need to do is to promote other people's course, other people's products, other people's services, and you're going to get a commission for it. So let's say, for example, there is a product that is 20,000 naira and your commission is 10,000 naira. All you need to do is to sell that product to 10 persons, and 10,000 naira times 10 is already 100,000 naira. If your commission on the product is 1,000 naira, you know you need to sell 1,000 naira product to 100 persons in 30 days in order for you to get 100,000 naira. You can also make it more interesting. If your commission on the product is 100,000 naira, all you need to do is to sell to one person and you're going to make your 100,000 naira. That is the simple way to make 100,000 naira in 30 days without having to borrow from the bank. And it could even be lesser. It could be in 10 days. It could be in 5 days. It could be even in a day. And you are going to make that 100,000 naira. This is where affiliate marketing becomes super interesting. So I know some of you, a lot of you actually wants to start affiliate marketing, but you're like, oh, why are we asked to pay for affiliate marketing? Why are some platforms saying we should pay for affiliate marketing? The truth is that, quote me anywhere, affiliate marketing is actually free. You don't need to pay any company most times to become their affiliate, because you're actually doing them a favor. Yes, a company can decide to have affiliate programs whereby affiliate helps them promote their product. Such like that, they don't have to spend money on ads. They might even decide to run ads, but it's going to be like an added advantage. They're getting free traffic. All they need to do is to pay you a commission. So most businesses will not put a fee so that they can attract people to help them sell their product. So like I said earlier, affiliate marketing in itself is very, very free. But those platforms that ask you to pay 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira, 50,000 naira, they are only trying to help you. Yes, they are only trying to help you, because as a beginner, I'm sure you don't have any experience even selling anything. You don't have any experience with the online digital skills that you need to succeed as an affiliate marketer. So these platforms, they actually have you in mind and they want to help you. That is why they created those courses. Did you hear what I said? Created those courses. You are actually paying for the course itself, not the platform. in quotes. Many of those platforms are free, many of them. But what you pay for is the knowledge that is required for you to succeed as an affiliate marketer on that platform. Imagine that you don't have any knowledge before and you just sign up to a platform and you don't make sales in 6 months, in 10 months, in 12 months. You'll be stranded. You'll be so frustrated and angry. But these platform owners have realized that, okay, in order for us to help our affiliates get the best results, we are going to create a course that will teach them. So guys, you are paying for the knowledge to thrive and succeed as an affiliate marketer, not just the platform itself. So quit trying to say, oh, they want to collect our money and all of that. No guys, they are doing you a big favor by creating those courses for you. So if you're a person of value, if you're a person that likes to get results quickly, just like me, then you take advantage of these courses, because they would actually speed in the process for you, rather than you going up and down, searching here and there, finding something that you can easily find in a place. You know the number of time you're going to spend, the resources trying to get those things. Why don't you just put that money together and get a course that actually has been done for you in a personalized way that will ensure that you get results? Guys, this is actually awesome. So in the line of affiliate marketing, there are several affiliate platforms, yes, and there are also other companies that actually have affiliate programs, yes. Today's video, we are going to be actually paying attention to a particular affiliate platform that I love. Guys, this affiliate platform has been doing super well, and they have several digital products that you can sell. Mind you, as an affiliate, you can also sell physical products depending on the affiliate platform that you're working with. But for the sake of this video, the affiliate platform we're going to be explaining today is a platform that actually sells digital products. And the name of this platform is called Digistem. Digistem is one of the fastest growing affiliate platform in Nigeria that gives you the opportunity to earn in dollars. Guys, if you are aware of the current exchange, you know that one dollar to naira is actually 700 naira. So imagine that you're earning in dollars on this platform. This gives you the opportunity to make more money. So let me take you into the marketplace of Digistem so that you're going to see how the platform actually works. This is my dashboard. This is actually how my dashboard looks like. You can see that the balance is in dollar sign, meaning that you're going to be earning in dollars. And so this is just a picture of what my page looks like. So you're going to come over to this place where it says marketplace. And marketplace is the place that shows you the numerous products that you have access to. Guys, this is actually awesome. This platform has a lot of products on it that you can actually start selling. This is how the product marketplace looks like. There are tons of products here that you can sell. And these products aren't just ordinary products. They are products that are in high demand and people are willing to buy them. This says WhatsApp instant marketing, data analysis. There is a course here for those that want to learn data analysis, ghost writing, income, graphics design. These are products that people are looking for. And if you want to know your commission rate, you come over to this page. You see that you get 50% per sale, you get 50%. So many of them, you're going to be paid 50%. Look at this one. Become a CCTV expert in 30 days. Guys, this is awesome. These are products that you can easily market to people and they would buy them. So you might be asking, oh, Mary Joy, how can I get started on this platform? Don't worry, I'm going to be explaining that shortly. So guys, you know I mentioned earlier on how some platform actually asks you to pay a particular amount of money and they're actually helping you and doing you a favor. Digistem is actually one of those guys that actually do you a favor. They actually provide you with all the information that you require at a very low price. Like guys, the price is actually very low. This is the page of my course. I actually also have the course. So I just want to show you what you should be expecting in those courses. Guys, you are going to learn copywriting, you're going to learn WhatsApp marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram, sales and closing. Guys, if you don't know how to sell or close sales, you are going to struggle as an affiliate. And these guys are already providing you with how to do that. You're going to learn, this is actually the course content. You're going to learn basic and key metrics of online business, the money, the mindset of affiliate. Like guys, you're going to learn product traffic funneling. You know that when it comes to selling, you need to have like a funnel, and your funnel has to actually work. This course is going to be teaching you all of that about funnel
and how to even get traffic. This is going to teach you how to get free traffic, paid traffic. It's going to show you how to build your funnel with your smartphone. It's going to teach you content marketing. It's going to teach you copywriting and closing. It's going to even show you how to make money on YouTube, guys. It's going to show you how to make money from YouTube. It's going to show you how to build websites. It's going to show you how to use Elementor Page Builder to create landing page. If you know that maybe you want to run ad, or even you're not running ad, you just want to create a landing page for your product. You know this is very important as somebody that sells online. And this course is going to be teaching you all of that. It's going to teach you how to create ebook cover design, 3D ebook cover design. This is actually awesome. This is actually massive. And over 8,000, that's like about 10, let's just approximate it to 10,000 persons that totally enrolled for this course. Guys, this is still relatively very, very new. And you can get started on this platform. This is so exciting. Like, I really, when I actually saw the course and actually went through the course, I know that it didn't even match the price that you pay for this course, guys. It does not even match the price. It is worth more than the price of the course, what you're going to be getting access to in this course. And guess what, guys? This course is only 20,000 naira. Only 20, and I'm calling it only because I know what you start to get from this course. So for those that are going to be watching my video, you have a special opportunity because you're watching my video. So for those that are going to be watching my video through YouTube, most particularly, I'm going to be offering you a discount. Yes, a discount. Offering you a discount of 3,000 naira, guys. You can use that 3,000 naira to get data to actually watch the course. So you're going to be paying just 17,000 naira. Just 17,000 naira. This is the little way I can actually encourage you and help you to get this course. So, and this is just limited to the first 20 persons that actually get the course. Once I already have 20 people that have gotten the course, I'm going to actually close this bonus. The bonus is not going to be available again. So you have to take advantage of it. If you have any questions that you want to ask about affiliate marketing, do well to send me a message. Don't forget, send me a message. I'm going to leave the link in the description section of this video. You don't want to miss this opportunity. I know what affiliate marketing has done for me personally. Now, as a YouTuber, I create content on YouTube and I also even make money from YouTube. All these things started because I paid attention to affiliate marketing and I wanted to learn what affiliate marketing was about. So guys, take advantage of this opportunity. Don't miss it.
I'm sure you don't want to miss this opportunity. Yes, you actually need to grab it with your two hands because you don't find this on a normal day. Guys, this is an opportunity for you to actually change your financial story in 2023, and this is still very early in the year. This is January. There is a lot that you can do. Please don't hinder yourself. Please don't limit yourself. This is going to be the end of today's video. Make sure you use the link in the description section of the video to actually make purchase of the course. If you also like to talk to me one-on-one, I'm also going to be leaving my link in the description section. You can actually chat me up and we are going to have a great time.